To start this video off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Should you choose to invest in Bitcoin or any other asset, do your own research or seek the advice of an actual financial advisor. Also, never invest any more money than you are willing to lose. That means do not go taking your emergency fund and throwing it into Tesla just to chase a run. That's a bad idea. Now, this is for those of you who are thinking about investing but haven't quite gotten around to it yet. If you keep putting it off, you're never going to get it done. So, get to a computer, get to a phone, or whatever the fuck you're watching this on, open a brokerage account. Robinhood, Webull, E-Trade, there's plenty to choose from. Just get on one, open an account. If you have no idea what you're doing, start doing research on what's called index funds. These are low risk funds that consist of a basket of stocks, depending on what the fund is. Now, like the S&P 500 is the top 500 companies in the United States. And yeah, that's just an example. Anyways, these are low risk because they don't have much volatility. They'll either pump or drop like 1% a day, not even. Sometimes, maybe not. I can't really say that for this past year because this past year has been unique. We have index funds running up the hill like they're fucking Bitcoin, but that's besides the point. Dollar cost average into these index funds. By dollar cost average, I mean throw like whatever you can afford every week. Let's use an example: $100 a week. Just start doing that into these index funds, and while you're doing that, do some research. Research what's going on around us to get an idea of what assets are likely to do well. For example, we have our government in the United States is democratically ruled. Yeah, they like to spend, they like clean energy, and Facebook just popped out of fucking nowhere. So, whatever, it'll just sit there for now. Anyways, so clean energy is likely to do well. That's a good place. That would be a good place to start in that example. Now, another thing you want to research is, learn technical analysis, how to read these charts. This will make your life a little bit easier if you know how to use TradingView. If you know what a candle is, if you know what a moving average is. Learn some technical analysis. You don't have to go full. You don't have to go all in and learn like 150 indicators or whatever. You just need to learn the basics just to get a handle on being able to determine whether a trend is intact or not, or other shit like that. But the main thing is just getting started. Open a brokerage account. Do some research, index funds, dollar cost average, just get started. And then once you start, maybe like a couple months in, maybe a year in, you can start diversifying into a little bit more risky assets. Once you get the hang of it, once you get an idea of how these markets work, and then maybe you can turn this into something much bigger. But for now, it's just a matter of getting started. Until you get started, nothing is going to happen. So, yeah. I don't think I really have anything else to add to that. This stock I have in the background here, this is Arcimoto. I have no idea how to pronounce that. It is an electric vehicle company. As you can see, it has been doing well recently. Actually, electric vehicle companies in general have been doing well because Tesla has been on a run like no other. Anyways, with the democratic takeover of the government, that's also added fuel to the fire. So this is probably a stock that's going to do well, but don't take my word for it. Do your own research. Always do your own research. And Bitcoin is another thing. You're going to see me talk about that a lot on this channel because well, that's one of the things that I'm involved in. And I believe Bitcoin's going to do well, although its price is currently taking a little bit of a downwards trend. I said in previous videos that it's likely going to correct for a while, maybe trade sideways, perhaps make it to its 20 weekly moving average before actually getting a bounce. So, if you're thinking about getting the cryptocurrency, be prepared, have a strong stomach, because you're going to be going for a wild ride. And same rules apply there. Always do your own research. But main thing, get started. That is all I have for you guys today. I will see you all next time.